Users can add Z-Wave smart devices to their UltraSync system. To add a new Z-Wave device, from the overview screen, select the menu icon and then select Settings. Next, in the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Z-Wave Add Remove. Now you're ready to enroll a device. For the next step, you'll need to consult the installation manual of the Z-Wave device to find out how to trigger the device in order to enroll it. Z-Wave devices typically have a button or an action that needs to be activated in order for it to be enrolled. Once you've identified the enrollment trigger and have applied power to the Z-Wave device, either by inserting batteries or plugging it into an outlet, you're now ready to enroll it in your UltraSync system. Under the heading Device Add Remove Functions, press the Add icon. Next, press the Enroll button or perform the enrollment action on the Z-Wave device. The UltraSync system will enroll the device. Under the heading Z-Wave Device Selector, you will be able to confirm that the device was added. Next, give the device a name so that you'll be able to easily identify it from other similar devices. Next, press Save. You may now enroll another Z-Wave device, or you may return to the overview screen by selecting Back. Note: if the device is not properly enrolling on the system, select the Remove icon, then press the Enroll button, or perform the enrollment action on the Z-Wave device. Once the device is removed, repeat the steps for enrolling a new device.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.